For number 7, it's looking for a missing step of this problem. Okay? And so what I'm going to do is look and see what it says for step 1 and maybe what I would do next. Right? So if I look at step 1, I see 10x minus 9, and that 9 is supposed to be times this whole thing. Well, there's a couple things that I would do first. I don't like subtraction, so I'm going to use the idea of keep, change, change here to know that it's actually saying add a negative 9 times this. Okay. I also know that order of operations says I need to do parentheses first, but I can't add those together. An x and a 6 can't get added together. So what I really need to do is get rid of the parentheses the other way, which is to distribute. So I'm going to take negative 9 times x and negative 9 times 6. And so for me, this step would be negative 9x minus 54. And so I really just simplified the distributing part, got rid of the parentheses there. So my answer, you need to decide, we'd have a negative 9 times x would give me negative 9x, and negative 9 times 6 would give me actually a negative 54. So it looks to me like A would be that missing step. And then just to make sure this makes sense with the next step, if we have 10x plus negative 9x, we can add those together, they're like terms, and I end up with 1x minus 54 equals 31. If you weren't sure, you could look at this step and see that it was a negative 54, and that should help you choose your answer as well.